Welcome to Meditation Now. In today's fast-paced world, where we're constantly bombarded by distractions and stress, finding inner peace can feel elusive. However, science-backed meditation techniques offer a path to tranquility and calmness that can be grounded in real neurological changes. By understanding how meditation impacts your brain and implementing a focused, consistent practice, you can tap into a deeper sense of peace and well-being. Let's explore how meditation works in the brain and how you can use this neuroscience-backed approach to unlock your inner peace. The science of meditation and the brain. Before diving into the practice, it's essential to understand what's happening in your brain when you meditate. Meditation is not just a mental exercise. It physically alters your brain's structure and function. Neuroscientific research has shown that regular meditation can lead to positive changes in brain regions responsible for stress, emotional regulation, and overall well-being. One of the key areas affected by meditation is the prefrontal cortex, the part of the brain that is associated with higher cognitive functions such as decision-making, self-control, and focus. Meditation helps strengthen this region, leading to increased clarity, better decision-making, and a heightened ability to manage stress. Another critical area that meditation impacts is the amygdala, the brain's center for emotional processing. The amygdala is responsible for processing fear and stress, and when activated frequently, it can lead to heightened anxiety and stress responses. Studies have shown that meditation helps decrease the size and activity of the amygdala, which can reduce your body's overall stress response and enhance emotional regulation. Furthermore, meditation increases gray matter density in the hippocampus. The hippocampus also plays a role in managing emotions, and strengthening this area can improve emotional resilience, making it easier to navigate life's challenges with a calmer mindset. Meditation for inner peace. The science of meditation reveals that it can help us access inner peace by directly affecting areas of the brain that regulate our emotions and stress responses. But how can we implement this knowledge into a daily practice that leads to lasting peace and calm? Here's a simple, neuroscience-backed meditation practice you can incorporate into your routine to unlock your inner peace. Step 1. Create a calm environment. The first step in any meditation practice is to create an environment that fosters calmness and focus. Find a quiet space free from distractions. If possible, dim the lights or light a candle to add a soothing ambiance. Make sure you are seated in a comfortable position, whether on a cushion, chair, or floor. The key is to maintain an upright posture that allows you to stay alert while staying relaxed. Taking a few deep breaths before you start will signal your body to transition into a calm state. Deep breathing activates the parasympathetic nervous system, which helps lower heart rate and blood pressure, preparing the body for relaxation. Step 2. Focus on your breath. One of the most effective meditation techniques backed by neuroscience is mindful breathing. Focus your attention on your breath, observing the natural rhythm of your inhalations and exhalations. As you breathe, allow your awareness to settle into your body, noticing the sensation of air entering and leaving your lungs. Focusing on the breath helps quiet the mind and anchors you in the present moment. This practice has been shown to decrease activity in the default mode network, DMN, a brain network that is active when we're ruminating or worrying. By reducing DMN activity, meditation helps you break free from mental chatter, allowing you to experience the peace that exists in the present moment. Step 3. Let go of distractions. As you focus on your breath, thoughts and distractions will inevitably arise. This is normal and part of the process. Neuroscience reveals that when you let go of distractions without judgment and gently return your focus to your breath, you are strengthening your brain's prefrontal cortex, which is responsible for executive functions, such as attention control. With practice, your ability to stay present increases, and over time, your brain's tendency to wander lessens. If you notice your mind wandering, simply observe the thoughts without attachment or judgment. Acknowledge them, then return your focus to your breath. This process helps build mindfulness, which is the key to cultivating a peaceful mind. Over time, you'll develop the ability to detach from stress-inducing thoughts and regain focus more quickly. Step 4. Incorporate body scan for relaxation. A body scan is a technique where you bring your attention to different parts of your body, starting from the top of your head and moving down to your toes. This practice helps activate the parasympathetic nervous system, the part of the autonomic nervous system that induces a state of relaxation and calm. By scanning your body and noticing any areas of tension, you allow your nervous system to release physical stress and become more attuned to your body's signals. As you move through your body, gently direct your breath to each area where you feel tension. Imagine your breath as a healing wave, flowing into areas of tightness and releasing any stored stress. This practice is an excellent way to deepen your state of relaxation and connect more fully to your body's natural rhythms. Step 5. Cultivate loving kindness. Metta meditation, incorporating loving kindness. Meditation, metta, is an excellent way to foster peace, both internally and in your interactions with others. During this meditation, you silently repeat phrases of goodwill, such as, "May I be happy," "May I be healthy," "May I be at peace." Once you cultivate this feeling of compassion for yourself, extend it outward by wishing the same for others in your life, friends, family, even people you may not know personally. Neuroscientific research has shown that loving kindness meditation can increase activity in the medial prefrontal cortex, the area associated with empathy, compassion, and social connection. This practice can help shift your focus from self-centered thoughts to a broader sense of compassion, which has been linked to improved emotional well-being and stress resilience. Step 6. End with gratitude. As you conclude your meditation, take a moment to reflect on anything you are grateful for. Gratitude has been shown to activate brain regions involved in positive emotions and well-being, including the ventromedial prefrontal cortex. By focusing on gratitude, you cultivate a positive outlook and reinforce neural pathways that support emotional balance and peace. Take a deep breath and allow yourself to bask in the warmth of these positive emotions. Allow the peace you've cultivated during your practice to extend beyond the meditation session and influence the rest of your day. Why meditation is key to inner peace. Meditation is a powerful tool for unlocking inner peace because it directly alters brain structures responsible for stress, emotion, and well-being. By focusing on the breath, practicing mindfulness, and incorporating loving kindness, you can train your brain to operate from a place of calm, empathy, and resilience. Neuroscientific research shows that regular meditation can lead to long-lasting changes in brain function, including reduced stress responses, improved emotional regulation, and increased focus and clarity. When practiced consistently, meditation not only helps you manage day-to-day stress, but also fosters a deeper sense of peace and contentment. Conclusion: inner peace is not a distant goal. It's something you can cultivate in the present moment. By engaging in neuroscience-backed meditation techniques, you can tap into your brain's potential for relaxation, emotional regulation, and resilience. Regular meditation can help you break free from the noise and chaos of everyday life, allowing you to experience a deep, lasting sense of calm and well-being. Through meditation, you unlock the potential for lasting inner peace and a more centered, mindful life. If you found this video informative, make sure to subscribe to this channel for more content. Thank you.